The time is 2:24 p.m. and here's how my day has unfolded. Starting off with the 10-year, we had yield is down about 4%. With that, I expected the market to move up, but luckily it did not. It started to go down at the open yesterday and continued all through the night. And the open accelerated the selling. And I have been holding the MNQ position since Thursday of last week, and glad to have held it. I had a chance to go out last night with about a break even. Just anticipated some more selling due to the news and just some other factors as well, and we have that. So looking forward with the natural gas. Nothing here. I did not take any trades still on natural gas. This would have been a short in here, and would have been about a break even. Taking some heat though. Gold. I'm still looking at the gold. It's not at the open, so not much going on there. We had a sell-off on the CL. No, this is it. Not much going on in the CL. It's still in the middle. MES had again sold off, same as the MNQ, the whole market. Everything is selling off as in the open. But my next buy would be in here somewhere, or a sell up here. MNQ is the one that I had done well with. I've been holding it short in here, added, and I think I added in here, ended up with about 5 contracts that took some draw on Friday, a lot of draw actually. And as it moved down, I had a chance Friday to get out in here with an okay profit, about 300. Held it through all of this. This held again. This was the previous resistant from last week, so it held good, and as of last night and this morning accelerated. I put a level here. I took out 2 in here, and I believe 2 in here. I'll show my fills here in just a little bit with a nice gain. Nothing setting up on the M2K. It's selling off just as much as the MNQ. Long in here and short in here is the play for this week. MYM did not sell off as much, but it's finally catching up with the rest of the indices. I've been flat completely with the Forex as of Friday of last week, and wanted to add new positions, but I decided to wait for extreme moves. You know, the extreme setups, the S2 and R2, not the first level. Otherwise, I would have taken a long in here. And then AED, CHF, again on flat, and this is from previous week. This is the no week. I'm looking. Actually, I have a long in here. I have a limit long in here. We didn't quite touch it. Also on the Australian, I have a long down here. Didn't quite get to it, but it's got close. It is, yeah, it's in here, and we almost hit it. Almost hit it. Would have been a decent profit actually. We did hit it to 12, and we got as low as 14, so 2 pips away. Here's my account. It's has moved. It's been around 2,800 now for the past month. Took a bunch of trades when I was gone overseas, and they washed out. They ended up with a slight gain from 2,800 to 2,830. Went as high as 2,900 at one point, but just lost it again. Then nothing in here. Again, this would have been a long, but since the market is really moving, I'm looking at extreme levels down here. AED, JPY, just the S1, and it would have been okay again. I'm just holding out for now. Nothing here, and nothing in here. This got close, but this is R1. I'm looking for R2. Nothing. Nothing. Medium moves. This one. Yeah, I think this is the only two markets setting up close over here. I think I'm also watching. I'm watching the New Zealand, but looking at the volatility, decided to wait until we get to the extremes. And R1, take a short in here. Yeah, this hit right at R1, then it moved down, but I wouldn't have taken it anyway, so getting extreme moves. Volunteer is still dancing around 10, not much going on. Nothing. I have an Apple. I had puts on Amazon, and I know 114 puts, but didn't have enough time. They expired on Friday. They would have done really well if I had some more time on them. I would have done really good with them today. And nothing here. Nothing on the ETFs so far. So that's pretty much what the week looks like. Here's what today has been. Like I said, it was been short from a while back in here. Again, somehow I was short from way up here. Took some in here. I had those levels in advance. Took 2 out in here. Then just marketed out in here. Waited for this. I saw it hit it, and I saw the spot coming back, and I didn't want to go all the way back in here. So to break even, so I just stopped exiting. It was plus $1,000, so it's a very good day, and no reason to leave that. And plus, if I had stayed with it, I would have taken this much heat, probably thinking we're gonna reverse back up like we did Friday, and I would have exited here at a loss, and all of this profit would have been gone. And no one knows this will continue, and at that time it looked like it's reversing back, moving up to 12,000, 12,074. I didn't add anything. I almost did a few times, but there were just no setups for me. Did take a few stock trades as well, and that for scalps, just a few pennies here and there on UPSD and Meta. So ended up the day with $1,151. Good day, and account is all-time high. So it was a great trading day, and I'll wait for my levels for tomorrow.